Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Happy.
Okay, V, how are you today?
I'm Honey.
How old are you?
I'm 56 years old.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. Look at this picture. They are at the beach. The boy is fishing. Now, what is the boy doing? Swimming. All right, very good. So now, the second question for you is that, can you run? Yes or no?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so how many fish are there? Fish are there?
Two.
Two, very good. Are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. What animal is it?
Elephant.
Elephant. What word starts with letter F?
Food.
Good job. What can the kangaroo do, my dear?
Jump.
Jump. What are they? You say?
Insect.
And how many insects are there?
3.
3. Good job. Do you have a sister, V? Yes or no? Do you have a sister? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Okay, Peter is at the shop. There are many fruits. Can you show me where is the banana? Where is the banana? Okay, good. Now, how many apples do you see? How many apples do you see, V? How many apples?
2 apples.
Okay, what is the boy doing?
Boy.
What is the boys doing? Eating, drinking, playing, what?
Insect.
Eating. Very good. Make it louder. I cannot hear you. Are there 4 cakes in the picture? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
No. All right. How does the girl feel? How does the girl feel?
Happy.
Happy. All right. So let's proceed for this one. What food do you like? I like.
I like apple.
You like apple. How many oranges do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
Okay, so that's all for tonight. Goodbye and thank you.